That's for everybody who wants to see Ian making his famous corned beef.
I try to put some chocolate in it.
Some good seasoning. It's gonna be a little quick video. All he did was add some more onions and let that simmer, and then he added 2 tins of corned beef. Comment and let us know which is your favorite brand of corned beef. I just buy whatever is the cheapest.
That's you. Maybe some cabbage. Right in the fridge. Some of the
mushroom. Some mushroom boys. And some carrots.
I can't eat corned beef.
Well, first time I see it looking like that because of the color of the cabbage, right?
Yeah.
But it smells very, very nice.
There's some corn.
Yeah, but we don't have any. So if you all want, you can put corn as well. What's the secret to this? Your ketchup? Is that the secret? So Ian, that's it. He added some chili powder as well.
This is feeling good.
Yep, I love this. I love this since I was a little child. All right, let's go. And you know, majority of you guys have corned beef and rice, but I've just given you all a little tip. Add some lentils to it, and trust me, you will love it.
Nah, I rather that.
You will never regret it. We grew up eating dal, rice, and corned beef, and then we were introduced to lentils, and we never turned back. So trust me. Look at that. Amazing.
Quick.
Quick and easy.
Under 15 minutes.